Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon wrapped dates. First, gather your ingredients: about 24 medjool dates, 12 slices of thin-cut bacon, and a filling such as goat cheese or almonds. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's prepare the dates. Carefully make a small incision along one side of each date and remove the pit. This creates a perfect pocket for your filling. Then, gently stuff each date with about 1/2 teaspoon of your preferred filling, like creamy goat cheese or a crunchy almond. Finally, take 1/3 of a bacon slice and tightly wrap it around each stuffed date, securing it with a toothpick if needed. This ensures the bacon stays put during baking. It's time to bake these savory treats. Arrange your bacon wrapped dates seam side down on the prepared baking sheet. This helps prevent the bacon from unraveling. Place the sheet in your preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to flip them halfway through to ensure even cooking and crispiness on all sides. You'll know they're ready when the bacon is beautifully crispy and the dates are soft and caramelized. Once baked, allow your delicious bacon-wrapped dates to cool for a few minutes before serving. They are fantastic warm, but also enjoyable at room temperature. If you have any leftovers, which is unlikely, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently in the oven or microwave. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy these delightful appetizers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.